Are there stem cell treatments for movement disorders? Have you ever wondered if stem cell treatments could help with movement disorders? This is a hot topic in medical research today. Stem cell therapies are being explored as potential treatments for various movement disorders, particularly Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a condition where the brain loses dopamine-producing neurons. These neurons are essential for controlling movement. The goal of stem cell therapy in this context is to replace the lost neurons with new ones created from stem cells. This could potentially slow down or even reverse the progression of the disease. So, what exactly are stem cells? Stem cells are unique cells that can develop into many different types of cells in the body. Researchers are particularly interested in using stem cells to generate dopamine-producing neurons for those affected by Parkinson's disease. One method being studied is cell transplantation, where new cells are surgically implanted into the brain. For Parkinson's patients, the aim is to transplant these neurons into specific areas of the brain that are impacted by the disease. Current research is quite promising. Numerous studies and clinical trials are underway to test the safety and effectiveness of stem cell therapies for Parkinson's disease. For instance, the trans-Euro cell replacement trial is examining whether transplanting modified fetal stem cells into the brain can improve motor symptoms in patients. Early results from this trial have shown no significant differences in symptoms between those who received the transplant and those who did not. However, it highlights the ongoing efforts in developing effective stem cell treatments. Another exciting area of research involves reprogramming a patient's own stem cells to replace lost dopamine-producing neurons. This approach is being tested in clinical trials to determine its safety and feasibility. It's worth noting that recent findings suggest that exercise may enhance the recovery and integration of stem cell therapies in the brain. This could be an important factor in future clinical trials and treatments. While the potential of stem cell therapies is exciting, there are challenges and risks to consider. For example, patients may need immunosuppressive therapy to prevent their bodies from rejecting the transplanted cells. Ensuring the long-term safety and effectiveness of these treatments is also a critical concern. In summary, while stem cell treatments for movement disorders like Parkinson's disease are being researched, they are still in the experimental phase. These therapies offer hope for the future but should not replace current standard medical care without more evidence of their efficacy and safety. As research progresses, it remains essential to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice on managing movement disorders.